Hi guys, today is magic about how to sculpt doll head. I would like to share with you all my secrets from beginning. So let's start it. As you can see, this head pre-bake because it's very easy for beginners. I always say if you're beginner, start with pre-bake head. Glass eyes, how I make it. I have some tutorials on my channel. You can check how to make a doll eyes. So now we start sculpting with all the face and the nose. You need to be very patient because sculpting and learning, it takes time. The more about interesting, more you do, more you get knowledge, and your practice make you better. As you can see, the babies always have a cheek, and I like chubby babies. I love it. So that's why you add some clay on the cheek. That's why your baby not gonna be very slim or like adult. It's gonna be more baby face. Now we start sculpting around the eyes. So follow my tutorial. If you have a question, just leave a comment. And around the lips, you need to be really gently. And always you have to have reference. As always I say, you need to have some baby reference to sculpt the baby face. I love babies. I always admire to sculpt them. I really hope this is my tutorial will help you to how to sculpt baby's head. Well, so how to smooth the old baby face? My tips, it's my experience. I use baby oil with clean brush, or I use baby wipes. That's way I keep away and clean my clay from the dust. And I think all doll makers they use these tips. So also you can smooth with your fingers. Voila, our baby doll head is nearly ready. So after this, we're gonna bake the baby head. After, you need to paint and create the baby body wherever you like it. So that's my tips, guys, how to sculpt baby head. And if you would like to learn about how to sculpt baby body, hands and legs, leave a comment and I'm so happy to share with you guys. I hope you find out my tutorial useful, how to sculpt the baby head. And if you have a question, just leave a comment and I'm gonna be happy to help. And thank you so much for being with me. And thank you so much to being creative. Don't forget, you can do it. Just believe in yourself.